What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at why it's red. We're going to discuss a few things, what we can see in the short term, medium term, the rest of this month of July. And we're going to take a look at ETF performance. We're going to take a look at Chuck performance, which is a meme coin if you don't know, and a new 3-day-old meme coin that has some insiders apparently a part of it. Okay, so base insiders apparently a part of it. Take a look at the rumors. Called Miggles, another meme coin. And so without further ado, let's do this. And it's Mr. Miggles. We'll find out about that soon. First, let's start with Bitcoin, and then we'll do the ETFs. Bitcoin, two days dropping. Okay, one reason why it could be because the Nasdaq, the S&P, the Nasdaq, the S&P, and the Dow having red bloody days. Okay, although everything else looks pretty decent. For example, even this with this rising up right there for this green day for the dollar, it's still a nice downtrend. S&P, I mean the bond yields 2-year also nice. This is exactly what we want. So the things aren't looking all that bad. The funny thing is, the ironic thing is the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Dow drop and Bitcoin starts dropping. Although they haven't had too much of a correlation when they're going up, the correlation exists or gets stronger when they all drop. Go figure. No big deal. Okay, like I've mentioned, we still have time. It could be that in one of the videos that I made, it could be that all of July is relatively boring. Although we could end the month. See, when did it start? Right now we're positive, right? We're having a green month. See if we end the month around here just slightly positive. Could be that we're boring, right? Just slightly positive right around these levels where we are. It's probably building a low, the high, and see what type of structure it builds from here. Okay, I thought maybe we could play with this line just underneath it, around it, above it, just in and around the area. Okay, and that's what it seems like it's doing. Remember, we still have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Normally I would say Saturday and Sunday are days that are kind of boring, but lately they haven't been. Okay, I mean this was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. So I mean, let's see what happens. They could go both ways though, right? Either way, I still maintain that we still have a little bit more time to kill, right? We still have, I think we have July definitely to kill, and probably sometime into August to kill. Okay, before things start getting really crazy. Okay, and I'm sticking to that until I see something that tells me different. ETF performance is next, right? Okay, let's see what ETFs are doing. Let's go to my main man. Hodl 15 Capital. We don't know each other, but I like his content. Right here, we'll look at this really quickly. All right, this one, the 17th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in a row of positive ETF inflows, green inflows. And you can see though, yesterday out of this last 9 days is the weakest. So maybe today we have a negative day. All right, maybe that's also another reason why the price is dropping a little bit, but hey, this just ebbs and flows, guys. Okay, so that's the ETFs. We'll see. We'll know tonight where they closed at. Okay, see if I can find Bitcoin ETFs really quick to see what the latest numbers say. 6 hours ago. Sometimes they'll say the volume and everything. No, nothing. Okay, nothing, guys. Okay, so we'll know later. So in tomorrow's video, maybe I'll let you know, or in a tweet on my X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Let's see, more or less, could be boring, could be just right around this line, right? I don't think we dropped too much lower, although there are those other sales coming from Mt. Gox, but we'll see. The more troubling thing is what's up with this. Why is the Nasdaq and S&P dropping today? I tried to look, I couldn't find anything as anxiety rises, but I'll let you guys know tomorrow what I find. Okay, and what else? So we saw the ETFs, we saw that. I think we're gonna go to Chuck now. Okay, let's take a look at what was moving up. I'm watching Kai Ken, trying to see if I can catch it at 8 zeros. Right now it's at 7 zeros. It's close. I'd like to catch it down here, touching this area right here, which would be at around 8 zeros and an 8. All right, but anyways, I have one more buy to make there. I wanted to show you guys Chuck. This morning I saw it all over my Twitter feeds. Okay, as you can see, this pump right here is actually a pretty decent sized pump, by the way. Pretty decent sized pump. I still need it to go a little bit higher to here. Right now it's at 0.004, and I would need to get 0.008 for me to break even. But Chuck is gonna be just fine, guys. I think it'll eventually blow right past this 3 cent mark. Eventually, 4 million market cap, 133,000 volume. Team is good. Team is good. The community is excellent. Memes are excellent. So Chuck is looking good today, and that's always good to see. And we will finish up with my latest crypto buy. This morning, going through X, I noticed Miggles, Mr. Miggles, and he has been trending. He's only 3 days old, right? I think today is like the 3rd day. And apparently it's Coinbase insiders that are behind this Miggles, okay? Because it actually got on a Coinbase wallet or something, and Coinbase themselves have this is Coinbase. The Coinbase account have put Mr. Miggles, okay, like a remix talking about Mr. Miggles, the cat face. Okay, so pretty interesting, and we'll take a look at the chart in 1 second, but a lot of talk on Miggles, and I'm like, pretty interesting. What's up with that? I took a look at right here the deck screener. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty new, and I made some buys. I made 4 buys. It's at 0.046 cents right now. Where my average buy is out of those 4 buys this morning, and it's right now it's at 0.0418. Made 4 buys, no big deal. If it drops like it shows right now, not bad. It's at a 40 million market cap, 19 million volume. It's been dropping all day. I think it's only gotten this high today, but we'll see, because if it is in fact insiders from Coinbase and Base, then I was willing to risk that 4 buy amount to see it go higher. As you know or might not know, usually I like to see them rise. If I could get in at a price where I think it'll continue going up, see them rise. If I'm in, and then sell off and wait for the retrace. Okay, which eventually does come, even in big projects like this. Every now and again they don't, right? Every now and again they kind of the drops are not that low, and then they continue, right? So it's like this could be the worst drop today, and then tomorrow it pumps back up to 6 cents or whatever. We'll see. But I wanted to bring it to your attention because if it is insiders, man, like they say, and it's just funny that so quickly in 3 days they already got on CoinMarketCap. They already got I think like something to do. Coinbase is talking about them. They were trending on X. So that's really positive. Let's take a look at their stuff. This is the website, and so I took a chance. I had capital that I was going to use for myself personally, but I said, you know what? I don't need to eat. Let's buy some meme coins. So that's what I did. Boom, 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 boom. There we are, Mr. Miggles, and this is Twitter. 5,800 followers. Pretty, again, 3 days old. Coinbase cat mount, not affiliated with Coinbase or Base yet. There's Coinbase, and there they are retweeting Coinbase, talking about this guy, Mr. Miggles, right? Another one right here. This one, Base intern used Mr. Miggles on Base logo on their video. Apparently Jesse Pollock bought. Okay, so I mean, there's evidence to suggest maybe it is some insiders, and if it is insiders, that's a coin you want to be in, because they're gonna do what they want, what they have to get that coin to move up strong. All right, and so there's that, and so I aped in. I said, you know what? Let me ape in, and maybe if I can scratch up another buy or two, if this drops some more, I will, because again, I think it still has some more to pump. It's at 39 million market cap, and if it is insiders behind it, then this will go to the billions, and then I'd like to be in it. Short-term pain for long-term gain, boys and girls, and that's it. Let's go back to Bitcoin. 63,500. We've gone as low as 63,326. Cool. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. We're gonna leave it there. All right, so let's see what happens with Bitcoin. ETFs continue their streak. Let's see if it ends today or if it can continue. Chuck on Base is looking strong. Hopefully that continues. It might not. You never know. But it is a good project. So I mean, buying at these levels is eventually, like I said, short-term pain for long-term gain. Chuck on Base looking good. And Mr. Miggles, an interesting play. Could it be the next $1 billion meme coin? Well, my bet says that it will. I didn't put too much money that I'm willing to lose. Money that I would prefer to put in memes than than to use to live. I'm crazy, but you know what? Crazy like a fox. Guys, if you can, please like, please leave a comment, please subscribe as well. All right, if you can subscribe, that would be great, and turn on all notifications so that you can receive notifications of the videos that I do every day, Monday through Friday, man. I live, eat, and breathe these markets, and I share all that information with you guys for free. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.